Now show me how to put that jacket on. Are you ready?
Yep.
What are you going to do?
Alright, so first you have to lay it out.
First you need to lay it out.
And then which side do you stand on?
This side.
Okay. And then what do you do after you lay it out? Show me. Where do you put your arms?
And here. Where's the orange finger?
Okay, go ahead.
And then...
Whoa, that's pretty cool. Did it work?
Then you zip
Look
it
at
up.
me. Can you zip it up too?